Well, we got the motor out, and it's a lot worse than we thought. It broke an exhaust valve on number 1, so now everything's definitely coming out and getting flushed out.
Let me start on the tank.
Gonna be a long couple of nights if we're gonna race on Friday. However, they are calling for a 50% chance of rain on Thursday and Friday, so we'll see how that goes. Flushing lines.
Did you put the plug back in the bottom of that tank?
Yes, I did. Look, let me see the paint.
It's all down here.
Yeah.
Get that one on the video.
You can really see the flakes in there now. And the chunks. New one going in.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Helm motors in it, headers are on it, radiators in it, filled up. Got to put the oil system back on it. Carburetor. May have it fired up running tomorrow night, not for sure. Where does that need to go?
Like that. You hold it there a second.
Just me and Doug here tonight. We're working at getting the oil system back on it. Definitely gonna hit it hard tomorrow night if we plan on racing Friday night or Saturday night.
Oh God.
This is what happens when you're grounded. You get to mop the floor by hand. Why didn't you two start and go the same direction? You're gonna mop yourself right into each other. You ding dongs.
We're your children.
This needs cleaned too.
Julie didn't do a very good job of vacuuming. Vacuum didn't pick it up all the way. Leave me alone.
I told you you had to pick up the big chunks. Get all the way up against the carpet and all that dirt out of the corner over there. And all along the edges. I don't want to see any brown. I want to see all black.
That's what the other mop is for.
No, you need to get the big stuff with with the rags, and then come back with the other mop so it looks good. Yeah.
It's dirty.
Well, you're gonna be fine. Old dirt don't hurt.
It does.
No.
What?
Well, it's Thursday night.
These store bolts are to that bracket.